Your living room is the heart of your home, a space to relax, entertain, and showcase your personal style. In today's video, we're exploring the most beautiful living room design and decorating ideas that will elevate your space, making it cozy, functional, and picture-perfect. Let's dive into these stunning inspirations. Choose a focal point. Every beautiful living room starts with a focal point. This could be a statement fireplace, an elegant coffee table, or a large piece of wall art. Arrange your furniture around this centerpiece to create a balanced and inviting layout. For example, a bold artwork above the sofa can draw attention, while a chic rug anchors the entire space. Play with colors and textures. Colors and textures are key to adding depth and personality to your living room. Soft neutrals like beige and cream create a timeless look, while pops of vibrant colors like teal or mustard can add energy. Layer textures with plush throw pillows, soft blankets, and woven rugs for a cozy, inviting feel. Don't forget to experiment with contrasting materials like wood, metal, and glass to keep the design dynamic. Optimize the furniture layout. Functionality meets beauty when you plan your furniture layout smartly. Opt for pieces that fit the size of your room, a sectional for larger spaces, or a love seat for smaller ones. Arrange seating to encourage conversation and leave plenty of space for movement. A sleek coffee table or an ottoman in the center ties everything together while serving a practical purpose. Add statement lighting. Lighting can transform your living room from ordinary to extraordinary. A chandelier or pendant light adds drama, while table lamps and floor lamps create a warm and inviting ambience. For a modern touch, try LED strip lights along shelves or under furniture. Layered lighting not only enhances the beauty of your space, but also sets the mood for any occasion. Incorporate greenery and decor accents. Bring life to your living room with plants and decor accents. A fiddle-leaf fig or snake plant in a stylish planter adds freshness, while decorative vases, books, and candles complete the look. Mirrors can make the room feel larger and brighter, while a gallery wall adds a personal touch with photos and art that tell your story. Make it comfortable and inviting. Finally, your living room should feel like home. Add personal touches like family photos or heirloom pieces. Use soft, layered lighting to create a cozy vibe in the evenings. And don't forget the power of a comfy throw or a collection of stylish cushions to make the space truly yours. Designing a beautiful living room doesn't have to be complicated. With the right layout, thoughtful decor, and personal touches, you can create a space that's not only stunning but also reflects your style and personality. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas.